Do you want to trade from all over the world without revealing your identity? On CoinW Exchange you can trade without any KYC, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to get started, so let's jump straight into it. This video will cover all the basic functions of CoinW Exchange, from depositing funds to opening a trade. I'm also going to show you what's the difference between CoinW Exchange and other exchanges like Bybit with the double screen function and lucky HODL. So let's start with a quick overview. We are right now looking at the CoinW homepage, and it looks pretty similar as to other exchanges. You have P2P trading, which is you can buy and sell with other pairs. They have a futures market, but they also have a spot market. They also have trading bots, as you can see right there. Copy trading. They have an earn section as well, where you can stake. They have a lucky HODL section. This is something that is unique from CoinW that I will explain to you later in this video. And they also got other things like a rewards hub to get a deposit bonus, Launchpad, and of course an affiliate program. To use CoinW Exchange you need to sign up. I got an affiliate link down below in the description. This affiliate link will give you a $30,500 Tether deposit bonus if you'd like to use that. Of course, you don't need any KYC, so you can just sign up using an email address or a telephone number. Next up, you want to deposit, of course, some assets into your account to start going. For that, you click right here on deposit. You can select the token that you want to deposit, for example Ethereum or Bitcoin. As you can see, I just deposited half a Ethereum. Once you deposited your funds, it will appear in your asset page, as you can see. Now you can see that all of our funds are in the funding account. If we click on funding, we can basically see that the funds is that half of ETH that we just deposited. If we go back to the overview and you scroll down, you can see that there are different accounts right here. So we have a funding, spot, but also a futures account. You have to transfer your funds between these accounts depending on the service that you are going to use from this specific exchange. Right now we would like to transfer our Ethereum to the spot account. For that we click right here on transfer, then we select from funding account to spot account, we select the token Ethereum, then we transfer the amount, we click on confirm, and now the Ethereum is into our spot account, which means that we can basically use that for trading. So we go to the spot market right here. The trading interface is pretty straightforward. Here we have the trading pair and the trading pair details. So right now we are looking at Ethereum against US dollar Tether, and we have some details right here like the 24-hour change. Below that we have the order book. In the middle there's the chart. Below the chart we basically have the order details. We will go to that in a second. And on the right we have the recent trades. Right now if we like to sell our Ethereum, we need to go to the order details right here. If we like to sell Ethereum right here, we can select the order type. Well, we have of course a limit market and a conditional order. We are going to sell it with a market order. A market order is always an order executed directly at the best available market price, so you don't have to wait until the limit price is reached for your order to be executed. So right now we can just select right here 100%, that's half a ETH, sell at the best available market price. Then we can see the order is placed successful. Right now we got US dollars in our account. Let's open a leverage trade over on Bitcoin. For that you click right here on futures. That brings you to the following page, and of course right now we have to transfer the funds again from our account to our futures account. So we can click right here with this button to transfer from our funding account to futures account. We click on all US dollar Tethers, which right now is in our futures account. So let's open a trade over on Bitcoin. We go to the order details right here. First of all, we can select whether we want to use isolated margin or cross margin. Well, isolated margin is the money that you put into this trade will only be used as margin. Cross margin will means that the money of your whole account will be used. I always use isolated margin. This is actually very nice. This is the position mode. You can choose whether you want to merge positions or split positions. This has to do when you add to your order. So let's say we open a trade and we open a new trade on Bitcoin. When we have the position mode on merge, that new trade will automatically be merged with the existing trade. So the liquidation price, the entry price will be adjusted, and so on. If you click right here on split, it will mean that if you open a additional trade, it will come as a separate trade right here below positions. I like merge because you can add to your position. You just look at one position, but this is just something unique that CoinW is offering. Well, let's click on confirm. Here we can select the leverage. Well, let's say we are going to open a trade with a 20x leverage. Then you can select the order type, market, limit, or conditional order. We are going to do with a market order because that will be executed directly. We are going to use all of our funds, so we are going to use the $1,000 into our account with a 20x leverage to open a Bitcoin trade of roughly $20,000 because we have that 20,000 leverage. Then we can click right here on buy along because we actually expect that the price of Bitcoin is going to go up. Then you can see here the order confirmation. If you agree with this, we click on confirm, and now we are in a position, which you can see below here. So here we can basically see our trade below positions, and we can see that the size of a trade is roughly 0.4 Bitcoin. The average entry is 51,619. We are now a little bit above that, which means that our trade is in a profit. We have right now a profit of roughly $100 with a return on investment of 10% right now in a matter of minutes. That is actually pretty quick, but that's also how quick it can go when you use a 20x leverage, which is generally a pretty high leverage. Here we can see the liquidation price, which is 49,215, which means that if Bitcoin is reaching that level right now, our order will be liquidated and we lose the funds that we put into this order. And if you want to close your position, you click right here on close all, confirm, and right now the position is closed. A unique feature on CoinW's exchange interface is the double screen function. This allows you to have multiple charts open at the same time. So here we can select two. Then we select this chart and, for example, put Ethereum there. Right now you can very easily flip between Bitcoin and Ethereum, and that's also adjusted in the order section. On CoinW, you can also get airdrops by simply holding US dollar tethers. That's called Lucky HODL. Do note you have to registrate per event, so you can select this new event alert. So whenever a new event comes, you will get an alert. Basically, you simply need to hold US dollar tethers in your account for a period of time, and based on that period, you can receive a certain airdrop for tokens that are newly being listed over on CoinW Exchange. So, should you use CoinW Exchange? Well, if you are looking for an exchange to trade with leverage and you don't want to have any KYC verification, then CoinW definitely could be a good option for you. If you don't mind KYC verification, I would highly recommend to use Bybit. Bybit, in my opinion, is a better exchange than CoinW as it has lower fees, it has higher liquidity, and it offers more functions. But the problem with Bybit is that it's not offering its services in every country. So if you are living in a restricted country, then you are not able to trade over on Bybit. CoinW can be a great alternative as you don't need to have any KYC verification to use this platform. If you want to start trading over on CoinW, make sure to join with the affiliate link down below in the description, as you will get a deposit bonus up to 30,500. But you're also able to join Will Alerts, which is a private Telegram channel where you can receive extra information on the cryptocurrency markets, and we might have some new rewards coming to people who signed up with our specific affiliate link in the future. So make sure to use that link. Guys, if you have any questions about CoinW, about opening an account, trading, whatsoever, drop them in the comment section down below and I will answer them as soon as possible. If you learned anything from this tutorial, if you enjoyed watching it, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe down below so we can stay connected during these awesome times in the crypto space. And the $1,000 that I have in my account right now, I'm going to use to copy trade, and I'm going to make a new video about that, so make sure to watch that one as well, which is coming very soon. Guys, thank you all for watching. I wish you all a beautiful day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.